Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome. You guys, it's been a minute. Do you guys still like me? I hope so. I've been gone because life has been lifing, okay? But I am back now and I will be consistently posting every Friday. You guys have my word, okay? Anyway, I'm back with a wig install. I bought this wig from Aliexpress and it has to be the best wig that I have purchased from them so far. And you could go through my page and see, like, I like to play around in Aliexpress wigs. This one is a 10 out of 10, 100% recommend. Let's get into this install. Like I said, I bought this wig from Aliexpress. It's a 30-inch, 250 density, 13x6 wig from the Luvin outlet store. I'll put the name on the screen as well as in the description box, and then the link to the wig in the description box. So I purchased this wig for $137.85, which is really good. And it is one of the best wigs I have ever purchased from Aliexpress. So the hair is a very thick down to the very ends of the hair. There's minimal shedding. It did not come with a smell. You know, the knots were very small. The hairline was very easy to pluck. This wig is just 10s across the board, y'all. Also, this is your sign to use a Zig Zag Scissors. It just makes the cut easier. So for the meltdown, I attempted to use the Ebin lace mousse and failed, but it was definitely due to user error. I gave up because I had work and I didn't have time to play around with it, so I ended up doing my usual. Spray some bond and then press the lace in. I do, however, use the mousse to touch up my frontal throughout the week. Now, y'all can just watch me work. Even though today was a fail with the lace mousse, we're gonna try again because I'm pretty sure it works. I just don't know how to work it yet. And that is it for today's video. I just want to say I love this wig and I 100% recommend this wig. It's super gorgeous, super thick, and worth your money, okay? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and supporting me. I love you guys so much. Bye!